banana cake goes in the oven, but Charlotte and Zoe aren't finished yet. They're making play cakes using the bits that fell on the table.
Shall I put some of this leftover egg in?
Please.
Oh, I found some other things on the table we need. Shall we call it off the table cake? I'm just going to get a banana. I bought it from the shops.
Invisible banana.
Ooh, Zoe. It's a bit smelly.
Zoe's giving Charlotte squishy butterfingers.
This is very pleasant. Our eggy bake, shall we call it? Oh, Zoe! It's on the table.
They're making more mess than cakes.
We'll clear out with spoons, put them in our cupcakes. Oh. These are going to be our cases for the cake. This is fun. So it's ready for the oven now, isn't it?
Yes.
But these play cakes don't go in the real oven. They've got a special toy one that doesn't get hot. The real banana cake has finished baking. I bet it will taste delicious. Good job, girls.